How many adults in the United States have a mental health disorder? What percentage or what number would you guess? I'll give you a couple seconds. With many of my videos in the past, I have introduced so many different mental health disorders and mental health related topics. A prominent question then becomes how many adults in the United States actually have a mental health disorder? Now, when it comes to the specific number of adults or specific percentage of adults with a mental health disorder, in the United States, based on 2023 data from the National Survey of Drug Use and Health, 23% or 59 million adults in the United States had a mental health disorder in the year 2023. That's basically a quarter of adults living with a mental health disorder. That's 1 in 4. It also becomes more interesting when you look at the different age groups of adults. So adults between the ages of 18 to 25, about 34% of those adults have a mental health disorder. That's about 1 in 3. So 34% or 1 in 3 of adults in the United States between the ages of 18 to 25 have a mental health disorder. Also, when it comes to adults between the ages of 26 to 49, about 29% of those adults have a mental health disorder. That's a little bit under 1 in 3, but still very impactful when you think about those numbers. This ultimately points to the importance about having discussions about mental health disorders, and also raising awareness about these conditions and reducing stigma related to these conditions. And definitely seeking support and treatment if you feel as though you are struggling. And also, I want to say finding positive, beneficial ways of coping. Now that I've introduced the percentage of adults with mental health disorders in the United States, in the very next video, I plan to jump into how many individuals ages 12 and up in the United States in the year of 2023 had a substance use disorder, which is often just called addiction. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.